Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in a musician's toolkit, email marketing. If you want to go beyond streaming and social media and build a real fan base that supports your music long-term, email is essential. We're going to cover how to build a list and how to turn casual listeners into superfans who stream, buy, and advocate for your music. Let's go. Before we get into how, we need to understand why email marketing deserves your attention. Number one, you actually own your audience. Social media platforms can change their rules anytime, and algorithms bury your posts. Accounts can get locked, hacked, or deactivated, but an email list is your channel. You decide when and how to reach your fans. Number two, it's way more personal. A message in someone's inbox feels more intimate, and you can share behind-the-scenes stories, early access, and personal updates. Overall, emails really help your fans feel closer to you like insiders. You can actually also make more money with email. Email really converts better than social media. When you drop a new single or merch or tour tickets, the fans on your list are more likely to take action because they're already engaged. Number four, no more fighting the algorithm. On social platforms, your reach depends on hidden algorithms, and with email, there's no middleman. Your message goes straight to your fans' inbox. Finally, your fans want to hear from you. The people on your email list opted in, and they want to hear from you. They are your most dedicated listeners, the ones who will stream, buy, and show up to shows. So yes, email matters, but it only works if you use it smartly. First of all, you need to set up the essentials. Choose an email service provider like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or anything like that fits your budget and needs. Create an opt-in sign-up form to embed on your website or in your LinkedIn bio or anywhere your fans find you. Basically, make it easy to join and have a lead magnet or incentive. Give fans a reason to subscribe. That could be a free track, a behind-the-scenes video, a lyric PDF, early access to new music, you choose. Make sure your signups are confirmed with a double opt-in and you follow email best practices like spam walls. And once those pieces are in place, you're ready to start collecting real high-quality email addresses. Now let's talk about growing your email list. Building your list is a creative process. A few tactics that can work is to promote your sign up in every place your fans engage, whether that be in social media, YouTube descriptions, websites, live shows. Use your lead magnet to remind people why it's worth signing up. Run ads or boosted posts with your opt-ins. Use QR codes or physical sign up at gigs, on merch tables, and segment your list as it grows with local fans versus global, super fans versus casual, so you can really send more relevant messages to each individual. Remember, your goal is not just numbers, but it's engaged subscribers who want to hear from you. Now you might be asking, well, what do I send? You don't want your emails to feel like constant sales pitches. So let's talk about content that you can send that builds trust, engagement, and eventually those sales or streams that we're after. The first is a welcome or onboarding email. As soon as someone subscribes, send a warm welcome, introduce yourself, and deliver the promised lead magnet. Storytelling and updates are where you can share behind the scenes, what inspired your songs or your challenges, your journey. You can send things like exclusive previews with early listens, lyric sheets, or a first listen only for email subscribers kind of thing. New drops and announcements are huge with new singles, EPs, music videos, merch, and fan-only offers, so discounted merch, limited bundles, or invites to special events. Make sure you have win-back emails for those who haven't opened in a while, send a special offer or ask a question, and mix these up so it doesn't feel spammy. Build the relation first and then promote. And then you're ready to convert your listeners into superfans. To move someone from a casual fan to a superfan, you need strategy and consistency. That's where that segmentation and personalization comes in. You can send more relevant emails that way, where local fans get show alerts and superfans get deep content. You can use automation for your journeys to set up drip sequences, so after they join, or 3 emails over 2 weeks that kind of introduce who you are and your music, and then invite them to check out your merch. Exclusive access, VIP perks lets email fans get access to ticket pre-sales or behind-the-scenes looks. And you also should be asking and encouraging engagement, asking them questions, replying to your emails, having them send feedback or submit ideas. The more there is incentive for them to engage, the stronger the bond. You can drive revenue and context, but only promote when it makes sense. Don't push every email. When you do, lead with value and clarity, and over time, the fans on your list become the crowd that you rely on for everything else. Finally, you should be testing with metrics and growth. Don't fly blind. Track your performance and tweak as you grow. Learn to monitor things like your open and click-through rate, your conversion rate to see of those who click, how many take action, and your unsubscribe and spam reports to see if people are leaving in the masses. Maybe something's off with your content. You can try A and B testing with different subject lines and email layouts and send times to see what works better. And overall, make sure your list keeps expanding. If unsubscribes outpace the signups, reevaluate what you're doing. Regularly prune inactive subscribers or try to re-engage them. You'd rather have a small engaged list than a huge list with nobody engaged. So there you have it, a guide to email marketing for artists. Email is one of those things that's often overlooked, but when you use it right, it gives you direct access to build deeper relationships and turn your listeners into super fans who support your career. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe, smash that notification bell so you don't miss any more music marketing advice, and leave us a comment below. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to email marketing? Talk soon, keep it indie.